Hello everyone, welcome back to Careers 360. Dear ones, I'm going to talk about the analysis of Shift 1 JEE Mains 2026 Session 1 basically. Since the Shift 1 is officially over, and guess what? The trend has changed a little bit. Paper was slightly tougher, but if I talk in terms of mathematics, it was easier in comparison to the last year January session. Physics was moderate, and chemistry, it was a total game changer. There were questions more from organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, and it were quite lengthier basically. Questions also came from chemical bonding more, and coordination chemistry, journal organic chemistry. Well, if I now just talk about the questions that came in mathematics, the topics were AP, GP, calculus, conic, binomial, trigo. Okay. And moreover, there were questions from vector 3D, 2 questions, sequence and series, 1 question, quadratic, 1 question, set and relation, 2 questions, and 3 questions from the conic section. Straight line, circle, ellipse, each 1 question. So math was less lengthy as compared to the last year's January and April shift. Now the average time taken by the students in mathematics, it was near about 40 to 50 minutes. But over here, talking about the chemistry overall, there were 3 questions from coordination chemistry, chemical bonding also contained the questions, organic was more basically. Coming on to the physics, the questions were from the topic fluid, mechanical properties of solid. 1 question from optics, the microscope basically, moment of inertia, semiconductors, kinematics, wave optics, calorimeter, moment of inertia, electrostatics, capacitor, current, electricity. So there were questions basically from physics also, and the paper of physics was overall the moderate one. So in a way, since a little bit of a trend has changed when I just talk in terms of mathematics, so dear ones, don't worry, you need to prepare for the next particular shift. It was just a short analysis that I want to give you so that you can have a quite good idea about what the pattern can come in your next shift. So take a chill pill, and all the very best for your next particular session.